What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is, your boy JP. I'm in the gym down here / man cave. I don't really know what I want to do with it yet. Either way, coming to y'all with a quick upgrade of something else that we got for the Grand Marquis. Oh, don't worry about that. That's the 1.5 12s. Have y'all seen that yet? Let me show y'all these 12. Now, this is not for my build. This is for a client. I don't know if you guys seen the Monte Carlo that we did with the 4 1.0 10s. But we went and got 3 1.5K 12s with the Tezla 4K. It look good, don't it? Yes, sir. Anyway, this is not an unboxing about subs. It is about phase 2 of us lighting up the Grand Marquis. So you guys already seen the headlights, one off with that. This is the Rsukit from Race Sports lighting. It comes with two 36-inch RGB strips, two 48-inch RGB strips. It says 2 remotes, but I've installed this once before. I think it just comes with this one remote, and it doesn't actually come with the keychain. But either way, we'll get into all this other stuff a little later. But just know we don't just have one kit, we have 2 kits. So yes, we will be putting these side by side each other. So we're going to go ahead and get it out the box. We're going to hook everything up temporarily. I do have my Milwaukee battery somewhere around the man cave. Oh, there it go right there. And we're going to see how bright these things really get. Boy, y'all see that? Ooh, I see that mug, boy. Your boy been in the gym. Oh, it did come with the keychain. What? My homeboy gonna be dead mad because his did not come with the keychain. All right. So, see, we got, Oh, okay, slide down. So you got A, B, C, D. I'm assuming these program and do something different. We'll see about that in a second. Of course, this has your RGB and W, so red, green, blue, and white. So we will actually see if this is like a true white or does it just blend all these together to create white. We'll check that out. That'll be like your brightness, dim, on, off. These are your different variation colors, white strobe, color cycle, sound 1. I'm assuming when you got some music playing, it'll go to the beat, different fade. And we got 2 of them. Comes with a little screwdriver to actually take the batteries out of that. At least that's what I'm assuming that it's for. If you guys want to tap into power from the fuse box, you know what I'm saying, you can do that. I wonder if there's a, yep, show is. Like we have the cigarette lighter plug. So a cigarette lighter plug with the on off toggle switch, which is very cool. The reason they do that is because let's just say you have a cigarette lighter plug that is constant 24/7. You can literally leave this in, and then when you do this, that'll actually turn it off. And when you do that, you can turn it on, so you're not actually draining your battery. Or they give you the fuse tap so you can catch power from ignition somewhere, and just kind of do it like that. I guess you can still do constant since you have the remote to turn it on and off. Looks like they give you the ATS fuse, they give you the ATM and ATM low profile, which is good. So this right here is our actual controller box, and it says controller box with blitz sound activation. So yeah, when you press that sound, that means it's gonna light up when you actually make sound, which is cool. So you have the connectors down here. This is going to be the antenna, so that's what's going to actually give us some range for our remotes. And this right here is for the hard wire. If you guys didn't want to actually power up from this thing right here, you will plug this into that box, and then you have positive and ground, and you would just catch power from somewhere else. So let's go ahead and take these out the pack. And I don't know if you can see that, but it has like a little grease on it. I'm not gonna lie, I really do not know what that is for, but it is sure enough greasy. It comes in this really nice aluminum channel for very high durability. Now this is actually IP67 water resistant silicone that they put on these. So that's what I'm feeling right now. I'm not actually touching the RGB. These are 50/50 LEDs, by the way, as well. Nice solder job right there. And I think that's why it's so greasy, because of that silicone that's actually on there. At least that's what I'm thinking. I'm not sure. But these are super duper nice. These have the connectors right here, They come with some extensions. I'll probably be ordering some more extensions because I don't know exactly how long these are, but to double these up and have them run all to one specific location, I think we actually got like some 10-foot extensions that I'm probably going to end up ordering. Now this actually comes with two types of hardware. So you actually got these little silver grooves right here. You actually take the screw and you will mount this into the car, not into the car, but you know what I'm saying, on the underbody of the car. You will screw that up there, and then this actually locks on this little channel, kind of like this. So you see that locks on like that, so you don't have to worry about trying to put a zip tie around here and then screw the zip tie up, because it actually comes with this hardware. Then for the runs, it actually comes with its own hardware. You take the same screw and you screw that up to the body, and then you can actually take one of these zip ties and run through that side, through the other side, and then zip tie it down. That way it looks really nice and clean, and I really like the fact that it did that. This is not one of the cheaper kits. All right, y'all, so enough of all that. Y'all seen what comes in it, what it does. Man, we need to go ahead and wire these things up. I think I'm gonna try to fire this one up by itself to see how bright it is, and then see the difference between 1 and 2. So I'm gonna leave that one in the pack for now. All right, y'all, so I got it temporarily kind of wired up into the controller. Got my little remote right here. Got my Milwaukee drill, and if I can get my son over there to turn the light off, we'll all be good to go. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. Oh, wow.
Ooh, wee. What's up? It's all the way red in here. No, don't touch that. All right, so let's see. That's red. Let's go green. Eee! Now that's my color right there, baby. Good God Almighty.
The whole place green.
Yeah, let's try blue.
Wow.
Good night. All right, now this is what I want to see. I want to see white.
Wow.
Ooh. Okay. Now I'm gonna be real. Y'all see how it kind of has that little purple tint to the white. So I gotta be honest, I don't think it's actually like true white, but y'all can see it's kind of like a purple tint. So I ain't gonna say 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure they're just taking the red, the green, and the blue to create white, which is just fine. Now do this fade scenario. All right, color cycle. White strobe. Go back to green. Is that the brightest that it is? All right, now let's make it brighter. All right, that's as bright as it's getting. Jeez. Now let's do this sound activation. What does this do? Say something, Zai. Like loud.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. So pack 1, super duper bright. Let's get both of them going.
Just make sure you watch me and my dad do some lights, and if you're hollow, it'll blink, right, kid? No.
I couldn't resist. That's just about the cutest thing you can. Go turn the light off. Seems like the room is a whole lot more blue. Jeez. It's like all extra distorted in my camera. Look like you almost glowing. I'm really rocking with this green. Y'all know green my favorite color. Let's see what purple look like. That's purple. Either, man, I'll leave it like that. The other colors kind of freaking me out. But I ain't gonna lie, man, I'm real happy with how everything turned out. This is phase 2 of the lighting. Now, keep in mind, this is the same 12-volt Milwaukee battery that I used when I showed y'all my headlights last week. So it has not been charged. So when we actually get it inside the car, there's a good chance it's gonna be a lot brighter. Now, as of right now, my voltage is not really where I want it to be because something's going on with the PCM inside the car. So when I get my new alternator and batteries, then we're gonna actually install all the stuff, because right now my voltage is spiking to like 17 volts whenever it wants to, and it's just not safe for the electrical inside the car. So I don't want to install anything inside that car and the electrical's not 100%. So currently right now where we're at with the Grand Marquis, we just fixed the AC and the heat is working 100% now. So I'm so happy with that. Next thing I want to do, oil change, tune up, and put some pipes on it. Within, I don't know when I'm actually gonna get that stuff done, but it's gonna be done within the next couple weeks. At least that's my plan. Within that time, I should have some more stuff. Phase 3 of the lighting should be coming in within that, so I will be doing another unboxing with that while the motor work and all that type of stuff is actually being fixed. Either way, y'all, I don't want to hold y'all too long. Just want y'all to see this slight little upgrade that I got going on right now. Stay tuned for the next upgrade. We are going to be trying to do everything we can. I'm not going to be 100. I'm not guaranteeing that it's going to be 100% ready this year. I'm almost 90% sure that it can be playing this year, and if it can be playing this year, then I will take it to some shows. If it's not going to be playing by the time car audio season is like almost over, then I'm just going to bring it out next year. I'd have waited this long. I could wait a couple more months, you know what I'm saying, depending on when it gets done. Either way, love y'all. Appreciate y'all for sticking with me. If you're not following me on Facebook, you should. IG2, and your boy just got on TikTok. I don't know. We'll see where it goes. Either way, love y'all. Links in the description. Y'all F with your boy. Peace.